Hi guys, my name is Esther. Make my shoe with me. I've been looking for shoemakers since morning. I don't see. That's why I just go out. I come to say, Omo, there's one woman where they sell this kind of sounds. Okay now, and I've done this before, like in school as practical. So I'm giving this a try. So, guys, let's go. Okay. Nice one. Let's try it. It's amazing.
Hi guys, this is the outcome. It's already late. This is the outcome. Hope I tried. Give it a like, comment if I try. You can also try this at home. Just check the tutorial. It's very simple. Thanks for watching. I love you. Mwah.